Various Multimedia Trends by Tanner Warren. Trend number 1, image editing in mobile apps. So how are these two connected? Well, the usage of mobile apps has increased significantly since COVID-19 pandemic. And the connection between image editing and mobile apps are that you can now edit your image on a mobile app such as Pixlr or Photo Director. Next, we have trend number 2, which is video production and virtual training. So basically, video production and virtual training are related because they can now use videos for training. And videos are a great way for employees to get to know how to do their jobs correctly and thus give visual insights on specific tasks using various graphics and audio. Trend number 3, we have e-learning and AI. What is artificial intelligence? Well, it's using artificial intelligence to enhance e-learning experience. Algorithms can be used to assess what level students are at, thus differentiating instruction. How is e-learning connected to AI? Well, we know that artificial intelligence can actually help develop curriculums and develop different assessments for various students, hence the differentiated of instruction. Trend number 4, we have presentations and game-based learning. We can use gamification and presentations at the same time, such as Kahoot, and we can incorporate those into our PowerPoints or Prezis, and it is a great way for students to become engaged. Trend number 5, video editing and virtual reality. Virtual reality is basically putting on those goggles and it makes the world more immersive. And these are my references. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great weekend.